3 must-try digital tools for your business. Companies today depend on speed, strategy, and smart technology to survive. From managing customer interactions to capturing new marketing leads and everything in between, digital tools are like backbone behind the success of any business. But with so many options available, how do you know which ones actually work? That's what today's video is all about: 3 must-try tools that are essential for businesses of all sizes. And guess what? The last one isn't just important, it's the tool that will keep you ahead. So, let's jump straight into it. The first one is Sprout Social. If you've ever felt stressed about handling social media, this is your new best friend. Sprout helps businesses organize their content calendar and assets in one place. No more switching between different folders, tabs, and tools. You can schedule posts, monitor engagement, and even track performance in an easy-to-use dashboard. Surprising, right? One tool to rule them all. It's not just about posting pretty pictures. It's about knowing your audience, being consistent, and being present in important places. Moving to the second must-have, HubSpot. If you want to attract, engage, and turn leads into customers without using many different tools, HubSpot does it all. From email marketing to CRM, landing pages to automation, it's a complete set of tools for growth. And the best part? It's easy for beginners. You don't have to be a technology expert to understand it. On the bright side, it also grows with your business. So, if you really want to turn visitors into loyal customers, HubSpot deserves a spot in your digital toolbox. Finally, Ahrefs is primarily used as an SEO tool. It is the gold standard when it comes to keyword ideas and opportunities to rank. Want to know what your competitors are ranking for? Or curious what your audience is looking for? Ahrefs has the answer. It's surprising how much insight one tool can provide. And it is easier to understand. In today's competitive world, SEO isn't optional, it's necessary. So, start today, pick one and give it a go. Watch how it transforms the way you work. And don't forget, the right tool doesn't just save time. It improves clarity, effectiveness, and growth.